Oh no, brown cow. Hey guys, I'm Jameson with RogueEngineer.com, and today I'm going to show you how I installed this heated tile floor. Okay, so that's the cold lead that goes up into the wall through our thermostat, and then we're just going to run this heating wire through the floor everywhere we want heat. It's a new day and it's time to lay some tile on a heated floor. Tile is done and now it's time for a beer. Okay, so it's been a day and we're back on this tile floor and we're gonna grout it. Today we're gonna grout it. So all the mortar has set up, the tile is good to go, and we're gonna put some grout. Okay, now with all the grout set in place, we gotta wait like 15 minutes for it to dry, and then we're gonna wipe it off with a wet sponge, have a bucket of water there to keep rinsing out the sponges and back and forth and so on and so forth. So we're gonna rinse it once, or wipe as much grout as we can off, come back, and then do a final wipe to get the remainder off. So the heated tile works out perfectly in this room. We're in Michigan, so it tends to get a little cold, and plus this room actually doesn't have any HVAC, no central heating or air conditioning. So the heated tile gives us a way to actually temper this room in the winter. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any other project videos. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you won't miss those sneak peeks of projects while they're underway. As always, be safe and happy building.